Hi everyone, welcome to my clean and decorate my porch for fall video. What I'm showing you here is what my porch looks like for the summer. I kept it very simple this summer, but I plan to do more for fall. So here we are starting off my porch decorate with my wonderful husband who's removing these evergreen trees from my planters. We will be planting these in the backyard and replacing the little area there with some fall plants. Now he really struggled, but he eventually got it out. And the second one as well, which was just this littlest bit simpler. Here are the flowers that I went out to buy and that hubby planted for me. I bought one really large planter and we divided it up. And because this planter seemed to be sort of wimpier, I'll call it, than the other one, I added two little scarecrows to this one. And that one over there looks a little fuller and nicer and doesn't really need anything more. This is how much is left over of the potted plant. So I think we're going to plant this in the backyard. And here I am just pruning my hens and chicks. And this is the area that is right between my walkway and some beautiful big rocks that I have. Okay, we're inside now, and I've taken my summer wreath, and I'm going to show you how I very inexpensively and very easily turn my summer wreath into a fall wreath. So this wreath is from Michael's, which I purchased earlier this summer. I've taken the last of the fall leaves that I have in my fall decorating stash, and I'm simply hot gluing them all around the wreath. And this little hot glue gun that I have is not a very high heat strong glue gun. So if I decide to take these leaves off for next summer, I don't think they will do any damage whatsoever to the wreath itself. So here we go. Another simple little DIY I'm making for my front window is these letters here, which I found online, printed off, and cut out. So here are the letters in the window. There is a lot of reflection and I don't feel that they show up very well. So what I did was I placed white paper behind them. And although it looks a little primary, I do think it looks better. So at my local grocery store, I found these fabulous pumpkins. The two smaller ones are pink pumpkins, the larger one, your sort of traditional orange, and I placed them in front of my bench here, just off to the side.